So if this was your bottle, you would vent it first. And then, actually, you poke a hole in this. Do that before you puncture your bottle.
What's the logic behind puncturing the bags?
Because of the liquid nitrogen, just in case it gets in the liquid phase.
Oh, okay.
You want it to be, for there to be holes in it, otherwise it might like expand.
Alright.
And burst.
That's not fun.
Okay. So I imagine with your teeny tiny volumes of sludge, and you're probably more skilled at decanting by this stage. So we'll see how this goes. Do you have a particular way of decanting them?
Not so much. I don't really think if I just do it.
Let's see.
So the point is to get the liquid out without getting the sludge out?
Yeah.
To the best of your abilities?
Yeah. But I wonder, if you have such a small volume, you might want to centrifuge it.
Alright.
You can speak to Steph about it. So it looks like there's just some granules left. So then this is actually gonna work.
It's fiddly, isn't it?
Yeah. Come on, switch babies. Okay, maybe I'll just wipe you up from the bottom.
Yeah, I normally have smaller bottles so I can actually scoop them.
Yeah, your smaller SMA bottles will be a lot easier. So we only want to fill your cryogenic vial to 1/3 volume.
Can you hold it up so again?
So if it's like 2, take it to maybe 0.5, which is less than a third, but there's enough there.
So it's maximum a third.
Yeah. And that's it. Put it in our bag. Okay. And then so you won't have filled the liquid nitrogen, so you won't know how full it is. So err on the side of caution. So you just pop the lid, pop it open. Okay, so it's quite full.
Okay, so it is quite full.
Yeah. Now we're gonna see how this goes. Because I get my little thing. Yeah, so you can see the fill level. So I think if, yeah, it's hard to know. So I'm wondering, should we mix it more? See. Okay, so make sure that it's like properly in the tweezers. If you drop it, no big deal, but
maybe the beginning of December, okay?
So just kind of, you're dipping it a bit?
Yeah, now they do say not to dip it in the liquid, so I'm not like fully submerging the whole tube.
You're just getting it close.
Just a teeny bit. Okay, I think that's enough.
All right.
Okay. And will you grab our blue box actually? And then you don't touch anything that's been in the liquid nitrogen. So we just very gracefully pop it in. And then that would go straight to the freezer, but you have another sample to do, so we'll just...
And on the day, the canister will be in the...
I'd still just leave it here.
Okay.
Or wherever it gets left for you.
Okay. And so would you do that immediately after taking each sample, or would you do a batch of samples, then a batch of those in the box?
Yeah, so I would just have your sample bags already ready, and then just do them as one.
Okay.
And then you can put them all in the freezer.
Okay.
Rather than like freezing one and leaving it out for like a little while while you do that.
Okay. Cool. Is that it?
Yeah.
Cool.
It's your turn.
Yay.